Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Scott Entertainment. Today we are going to see Arduino software. Arduino software, it is a software which is very important in programming for the student. It helps the student understand what is a programming, what can do in the normal life, and how we can control any work using Arduino. So stay connected to our channel and keep subscribing, make comment, share. Thank you. So this software, first it have two major parts. The first part, it is void setup. Void setup, it is the part of this software where we put all the code which we want to run on this software. The second part, it is called void loop. Void loop, it is a part of the software where we put the main code which we are going to run repeatedly. It means it is going to keep running depending on the time and the code we put on that software. And this software have other different tools which help us work and help us understand each part of this software. The first one, it is called file. File, it is a group of different tools which you use in this software. First, it have new. When you press to new, it means you're going to open a new window. It is a new window. When you press on it, it will get, let me press on it. You see a new window, it is open here, so you can make a new software or a new program here. The next one, it is open. When you press to open, you open the program which is already made or which is already on this laptop and save on it. So this is one of the example of the software which was already done on this computer and save on it. This is a four-wheel driving car which you are going to see in the other next video. The next one, in file, it is open recently. Those, when you put open recently, they are the file or the software or the program we create before, so you can go and check one of them if you want to see which type of the program we make before this one. The next one, it is the sketchbook. The sketchbook, it is the book of all the other program which has already made before, and you can go and see each and every one. The next one, it is called examples. Those are the examples of the program we can do, or the part of this software and Arduino board. Some of those are the part of Arduino board, other are the part of this software. The next one, it is close. Close, it is the key which you use if you want to close the program which you already made and you don't want to keep do it, you can close it. The next one, it is save. After doing a program here in Arduino board, you can save it if you want, or you cannot save it. Here there are save as. We use the word save as if you want to save that program in other form or in other folder which is different of that folder which is already made as default. Here they are the page setup. This page we are working on it, it have different setup. Let me press on it, then you see all the different setup. Okay, here there are some setup of this page. It have the margins and it have the orientation or the position of that paper. Those are the setting of the page setup. You can change them as you want, and after you can change even the orientation of the paper. But let's keep it in portrait orientation, then keep OK. The next one, in file, you have print. You can do a program. After done it, you can choose to print it or you can save it. If you want to print it on a paper or something else, after done that program, you can print it. The next one, it is preference. If you press on it, they give different tools and you can change them, or you can change different setting of that. For example, let me see this, the font size. You can change the size of those fonts, or you can change other also. You can change the language here. You can change the save place where you can save those programs. You can change different as you want. And anything you finish changing or make a modification, you have to press OK and to keep it. The next one, in file, you have quit. If you don't want to stay on that page, you can quit and create another one or stop, use it. This is some tools or part of in file group where you can choose any of them to be used in this Arduino program. The next one, it is edit group. Edit group, as it is the name say, edit, it is a modification group. When you press on it, you can see there are different modifications you can do through this one. You can copy for column, you can make copy as HTML program, and you can paste other program you take from the other side. Sometimes you can even copy the word which you have already used in the program and you paste it in other place. The next thing, you can select anything as you want. Here there's go to the line. You can make, sometimes if you have a big program and you want to go to any line before scrolling from the top to the bottom, sometimes you can choose to go to any line as you wish. The next one, it is comment. Even if this is a program you have made, sometimes you can make comment, because some people which are not the programmers, they cannot understand it easily. So the program or the programmer have made the place where you can put the comment or the explanation for the program you have made. The next one, it is increase indent. Sometimes you can increase and decrease. Here there's another place, increase font size. Increase font size, we have seen it in the preference, and here there's a font size increase and decrease. You can increase your font size and you can decrease it depending on the look of your program as you see it, and you can change it depending on what you want. Here there's find. You can find sometime a program, or you can find sometime a line in that program you are in. So those are different find. You can find a line or a word in the program. You can find in the next program or in the next line. You can find something or some word in the previous line or program. Those are the tools which we find in editing group. Let's go to the next one. You get sketch group. This sketch group have different tools. First one, it is verifying. If you are going to verify a program, first, before verifying, you have to connect the board. So if you didn't put the board on it, you cannot. If you make a verification, they will tell you. Let me comparing. Then they see what they will tell you. This is comparing here. Anytime you are going to verify, you have to keep checking here if it is done, and here there's a place where show you if it is checking. So you have to wait to finish checking, then they give you the result. If the program is okay, if they have a problem, they'll show you exactly where the problem is. So wait. When it is done, they show you comparing it is done. And if there's nothing, it'll be okay. But if there's a problem, they show you exactly where the problem is. That place, it is the place which show you have a problem in this place. Like this, you don't have any problem, because anytime you have a problem, when you are done in comparing, it show in the red color this program have a problem at this line where you write this word and it is not supposed to be written like that. After that, you have upload. Anytime you finish done your program, you have to upload it to any board. As we are talking to Arduino board, Arduino program, so you have to upload it to any Arduino board so it can execute what you have programmed or what you have made as a program. Here there's upload using a programmer, is export, comparing binary, and so on. But here we're going to use mostly verifying or comparing and upload. And before uploading, you have to connect first your board and tell the program or the laptop which port did you connect your board on it. The next one, it is tool group. Tool group, it is a group of tools which can do different work. Here, for example, you have auto formatting. Sometimes you can do a program and you don't want to keep it, so you can formatting or you can delete it. Okay. Here it is archive sketch. You can keep the program which you have made as archive. Okay. Here there's fix, encoding, and reload. Here you can make a program. Sometimes you can choose it to be fixed when you compare it, and you can load it somewhere. Here there is a manage library. Manage library, it is the essential part of Arduino program or Arduino software. The reason why I say managing library, it is the many parts of it, because sometimes this Arduino software, it has some library which are made with it as default. But sometimes when you're going to do something else, it asks you to install first the library in that Arduino software. So that's why anytime you're going to do something, you have first to check in the library if this software have the library which work with that program or which can control what you want to control. In those library, they can be manageable through managing library. Sometimes if you don't find them there, you can install them, you can download it on internet and install in your software so that your software can have those library in order to manipulate or do your work as you wish. The next one, okay, wait for it to make it. Okay, so anytime you see or you want to do any work, for example, as I have seen in the previous, I show you we have four-wheel driving car. Four-wheel driving car, it is a driving car which have some motor. Sometimes you can find any Arduino software which doesn't have those library to control a motor. So if your software does have those library, as we are going to see in the next video, you have to download them from the internet and install them in your Arduino software so you can be able to create a program which can control those motor if you want to make the motor go forward or backward or turn right to left. Those are the library you have to make sure in your software they are in. So if they are not inside, you have to download them. So if you go to internet, you can download them, or you can choose any of the library which is already here and install them. For example, here there's install. If you find any library, you can install it automatically, or some of them they are already installed. you can, if they are already installed, you can use them. If they are not on this list, you can go on internet and download it, because sometimes the software, they get updated anytime and very fast. If you have a software which doesn't have those library, you have to check first. Before doing any program, you have to know if your software have those library. That's the part I can call the main part of this software. In order to be a good programmer, you have to make sure anytime you're going to use a software, you have to make sure you have all the library which are needed to do that. This is how managing library can be used in the work does on Arduino software. The next one, you are going to see some sign and the explanation of them. This sign you can see here. Sometimes you can make a verification through this one. Other time you can just come here after making a program, just you press on it. When you press on it, you see it is comparing. It means it is verifying, and to show the color which are different, that it is comparing or verifying. The next one, it is upload. If you press upload, it is going to upload on a board. You see, as I told you, the program upload to board. So it means the program upload to the board. It show you we don't have any board connect to this laptop. So let me connect a board, Arduino board. So after connect it, sometimes you can upload it, get upload automatically. Other time, you see, upload to board, it is not working. The reason why it is not, it is because I didn't choose the port. Sometimes when you're uploading a program, okay, let me go back first to this tools group. We have finished here on library, manage library. Here there is serial monitor. Serial monitor, when you press on it, sometimes you can make a serial monitor. It is here. Sometimes you can do a program and you want it to see or to monitoring if it does as you have made. So to see it on a laptop, you can see it on serial monitor. It is a monitor which can on display, which can display as you want. Here there's a serial port. Serial port also, it can be used to check which port you are using. Here we have Wi-Fi, and here we have board, which board you are using, because Arduino have different board. For example, now I'm going to use Arduino Uno. That's why it is select. Sometimes you can find other they use Arduino Uno. There are other Arduino as you wish. The next thing which make us come back here, it is the port. If you connect any Arduino board to your laptop, you have to come in the program and you select which port are you using. If you don't select that port, the software we are not going to see your board. After selecting the board, you can upload, because you see I have already selected the port which is connected to this Arduino board. Then upload it and it is done correctly because I have already selected which port I connect my Arduino board on it. The next thing, it is new. New, it is creating new sheet or new page. If I press on it, you see there's a new sheet which is open here. If I want, I can keep it. If I want, I can delete it as I want. The next one, it is open. This, if you press on it, it show you different program which you have already made before, and you can open any of them. For example, let me take Okay, let me take for example, let me keep using 4-wheel. If you open 4-wheel, it will show me a 4-wheel driving car program. And here you see we have set and we have include different library. This is the library of motor driving car. This is a library of driving motor. As I told you, Arduino sometimes doesn't have all the library in it. In this library, it is the library we download it from internet and install it in software in order to be able to control those motor as we wish. This program, we made it together and I'll explain to you any step we done on this program. The next one, it is save. After creating a program, you have to save it, because if you don't save it, the program will disappear. You will never see it again. So in order to keep it, sometimes it can be a draft program which is already not finished, but you can save it. If you save it, it will help you to go back anytime and see it. If you can make any change, you do it and keep save it. So that's why anything you do on Arduino software, even if it is a short program, after done it, you have to save it. So those are the many parts of Arduino software, what they can do. So please guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe as a support for my channel. Make a comment, share. Thank you so much.